Hello viewers, in this video we are going to focus on interpolation in Python SciPy. Subscribe to my channel to get alerts on new videos from my channel. Before getting into the code, let's understand what interpolation is. Let's say I have a chart where I have plotted 2 points which are nothing but my data points. Now I want to construct or find out new data points in the range of these two known data points. So this process of finding the intermediate data points is called as interpolation. And this is going to be primarily used for the numerical analysis. Now you would wonder why we need to do it or where exactly it's going to be used in real time. So basically this concept is used for analysis or prediction. So let's say I travel from location A to location B in 30 minutes. So I will be able to predict at which location I'll be traveling in 10 minutes and 20 minutes from location A. So I'll predict one location which is location C where I can be located in 10 minutes and another location which is location D where I can be located in 20 minutes. And these two locations are going to be in between the locations A and B. So this is the basic explanation on what interpolation is all about. And in this video, we are going to look at 1D interpolation. SciPy had an interpolate class for 1D, but it is removed from SciPy. So it is recommended to go for 1D interpolation implementation from NumPy. So if you still want to refer to the legacy 1D implementation from SciPy, you can always refer to the reference link which I've shared in the description box of this video. So we are going to use NumPy and Matplotlib for 1D interpolation. Now let's look at the code. So I have two values for x which are 1 and 10 and two values for y which are 8 and 9. Matplotlib is going to help me plot the data points using x and y values. So we have the x range between 1 and 10. Now I want to plot 10 data points along this line where the x value is going to be between 3 and 7. So that is what I have given here in x new. So I want 10 points to be plotted, so I have given num to be 10. In y new, I am calling the interpolate function by passing x new, x and y. I am going to call the plot method twice, one to plot my known data points and the other one to plot the intermediate data points. On execution of this code, this is how my output will look like. The known data points are marked as O, whereas the unknown data points are marked as X between these two data points. Hope you have got a clear picture on how 1D interpolation works in Python.